Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Are We There Yet crashes at startup, Unreal Engine crash error or GPU crash dump triggered error on PC. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Are We There Yet game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then select properties. Here in the launch options, type -D3D11. Now close the tab and then launch Are We There Yet game and see if your problem is solved or not. This solution has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If it's still not working, then again right click on Are We There Yet game and select properties. In the launch option, type -DX11 and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties. This time type -DX12 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the command from the launch options and then follow other fixes. Next fix is to verify the integrity of game files. So right click on Are We There Yet game, go to properties, go to install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch Are We There Yet game and see if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Are We There Yet crashes at startup, Unreal Engine crash or GPU crash dump triggered error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.